Hello friends and welcome to Tech Dudes. Today I am going to unbox very special thing. This is a Lenovo Smart Health Scale. So let's get started. This is a smart scale. So this is a Lenovo Smart Scale, as you can see. So let's keep aside this and check what is inside the box. So here is the 4 batteries. And some user manuals and warranty guide. So this is a Lenovo Smart Scale. It can be used as for body fat, body water, bone, muscle mass and many more things. So thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.